Welcome. Just sit comfortably. Find your own sense of peace in your body by just relaxing into yourself, directing your breathing inwards and just allowing yourself to rest. Resting within your own presence, resting within your own magic, allowing a deeper part of you to find its space deep within you. Then take a deep breath and let out a sound that resonates with the crystal bowl. Take another deep breath. And another breath and let it out. Kimanu akitu iki alura awala mana apaku ati awaka alakinati ikatu isuki achi alo pakanama ano ekasete asika alo likamani itatu ikachi awakanama likapu ako ike tikapukana ikanika akicha alu ikeni ako kikaman ati alo iki awakamani hikati alaki lakina tukina. So we're just building the throat chakra out, but we're going to concentrate on the third eye. Pikanika alaka aku iti asikamani ichaku ikani anokila itatu iki asi apo ikanik eki ati alo like apo nakiti akochikani akitu wiki mani ikila ikisi atu waki akochika ikinika inakita tukimani awaki na alale poke aku ichiki. Deep breath. Hikamoni atu eli awo chika anikapu etikani tikalo echi asuki asikana ili awakiti asikasu aula ikiti ako ikita chikimani ichaku ali archoki akoti kani awakalamani anokiti asukita achika akoki atikamani chukimani chukiti alika asukinami. So then we go, so we've done the chakra points, and so we're going beyond that to the higher conscious, and then the 3 chakras above that open up to memories of soul on an ancient level, which is beyond lifetimes on earth. Ikatu iki asika po ekani itikapan Tekapali awakimani asoki achikamani asikatu itiki aki achikina nakita ikani. And then we're going up to the next one. Tukimani alipa achaki ti asokitali anokita awiki chikamani tuki ilikitia alaki oki asok. And the next one, sikimani tekitili atikani ako ekikichika awoki naki laki sukiti atikatu akikakani lokinali tikapoli alika akitu kikanaki kataku ikachuka nakati akitaku aki aloki naki aki akoli aki abung aki awak taki mani noki laki taki tu chikam punkin aki asokitani laki tu achika apo aki anika tikalu likiti tikamani ikani awaki. Then call through your highest good, like to work with your highest good, like the right star seed for your being. So it could be a Curian, it could be Palladian, it could be Lemurian, it could be Syrian, it could be any of them. Just ask for the right one for you. Pikanika ikani au ko itikala ichika ikimi akokicha ikiti aki ako ikani to isikatu ikanaki laki tu akani achika awoki noki achikamani asiki alina awa kitani ano kitu. Stirring up some courage. Okina tika okiti asikila onicha iki awaki ato iki asi apo. So now it's time to rest and relax as the codes come in and be ready to receive them. Close your head, like let go of ego, and just be open to receiving with an open heart, just allowing the energy in. A lot of the adjustments are due to Earth's beings distrusting each other and the universe, and the codes are about adjusting to trust and love and understanding it from a different authentic perspective, where love is sought after and then mirrored in the universe and how one sees destiny. And then just let that be. Let that sort of ground. Let yourself ground. Let yourself be present with all that, and just stay in that space for as long as you need to channel whatever information you need to be able to get to a point of resolution with your divine identity.